Hello children, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm your teacher Samuel and I'm going to teach you mathematics P5. The last time we stopped at changing Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numerals. And I gave you an activity. So I want us to first begin by making those corrections of the activity I gave you. I hope you have pulled out your work. You are ready to mark yourself. To begin with, our first number was express 19 as a Roman numeral. And I told you that you first expand a number. It gives you 10 plus 9, which gives you 10 is x, 9 is a subtraction Roman numeral, whereby you first write the x and then you subtract 1 from it. So this is what? 9. So it gives us x, and that is 19. Okay? Then you double and a 9. I hope you got that one. In number 2, I gave you 20. To write 20 as a Roman numeral. So I know 20 is an addition Roman numeral. You keep on adding 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, which gives us x plus x, which gives us xx. So that is 20. I hope you got that. You double and will work. In number 3, the question was that the number was 32. Okay? So here, expand 32 to give you 30 plus 2, which gives us, remember 30 is an addition Roman numeral. Okay? So you put x 3 times. That is 30 plus 2 I, which gives us x I. I know people are enjoying marking their work. I hope you are getting everything. Okay? You double and align. In number 4. Okay? In our number 4, it was 44. It was 44, okay? So expand 44 to give you 40 plus 4, okay? Which gives you 40 is a subtraction Roman numeral. You must first write 50, then you subtract 10 from it. Subtract 10 from it to give you 40 plus the 4. 4 is also a subtraction Roman numeral. You have 5, remove 1, okay? So it will give us XLIV. That is the answer. That is the what? The answer. You double underline, okay? In number 5 was 52, okay? Here you also expand 52 to become 50 plus 2, okay? 50 is L. Plus 2, which is I, which gives you LII. Okay? Then you double and align. I hope you got this one as well. Okay? In our number 6, the question was 63. Express 63 as a Roman numeral. Expand it to become 60 plus 3. And 60 is an addition Roman numeral. You add 50 plus the 10. Okay? So which gives us LX plus the 3. 3 is also an addition Roman numeral or a repeating Roman numeral, which is I. So 63 gives us LXII. Okay? In number 7, the number was 7. Number 7, the number is 72. What did you do? Expand 72 as 70 plus 2. Okay? 70 is an addition Roman numeral. You add 50 plus 10 plus 10. 2 is a repeating Roman numeral. You repeat 1 and 1. I, which gives you L, X, X, I. Okay? Number 8. Our number 8 was 87. 87. And here we say expand 87 to give you 80 plus 7. 80 is an addition Roman numeral. You add 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which gives you 80. 7 is 5, which is V added to 2. Okay? So it will give us here 87. Okay? In our number 9, I'm not double underlining because I know you did it already. So we are just making corrections, okay? In our number 9, it was 98. Okay? Expand 98 to give you 90 plus 8. 90. You write it, you first write 100 C. Then you remove 10. You remove 10 from that. Okay? So it is now 90 plus 8. 8 is an addition Roman numeral. You add 5 plus 3, which gives you 8. So you have your answer as XCVII. This is 1980. Okay? In the last number, it was 100, and I know everybody passed this. So this is just C. Okay? So dear children, having made the corrections, I know you have marked yourself. Many of you, I know you have got 10 out of 10. That is very good. It means you were very attentive. So we want to move to our next lesson. Today's lesson is changing Roman numerals to Hindu, Arabic numerals. Okay? So our today's lesson is we are going to change Roman numerals to Hindu, Arabic numerals. Okay? In our first example, examples, number 1, express XIX. Okay. Express XIX in Hindu, Arabic numerals. Okay? Now, what you need to know here is when you are faced with a number, you are given a Roman numeral, you are supposed to change it to a Hindu, Arabic numeral. So write that Roman numeral given. Okay? You are going to expand it. You're going to expand this. So by just seeing, you can see x, it is going to be expanded into x plus ix. Okay? It's going to be expanded into x plus ix, which gives us here 10 plus 9, which gives us 19. Okay? So ix is written as 19. Then double underline. Okay? I hope you have understood that first example. Let's move on to example 2. In our example 2, it says express XL IV, okay, in Hindu, Arabic numerals. In Hindu, Arabic numeral, okay? I told you that when you are given a Roman numeral, you have to expand it. You have to separate this, group it. There is where you can group in one or in twos. Mainly, most of them are in twos. Now, when you look at this one, you can group it in twos as, you can expand it as, you have XL IV can be expanded as XL plus IV. So I told you that when you are faced with such a number, it is combined. What you do, try to think of expanding it in groups of twos. Like here, you can expand it in group of twos. If you expanded it in groups of one, like X alone and L alone, it will confuse you, it will make you fail. Okay? So here what you do, group them into twos, okay? It will give you the correct answers. What do we have here? 50 remove 10 is 40. Plus 5 remove 1 is 4. So this will give you 44. Okay? And then you double and line your answer. Okay? In our example 3, it says express LXXII in Hindu, Arabic numerals. Okay? Now, I hope now you are getting this very well. Okay? When you are faced with such a number, a Roman numeral like this, if you consider taking one like 50 added to this, it might disturb you. Okay? You have to bring in the idea of what we call addition, Roman numeral. You have to have it in the back of your mind. Because now you have to have L, X, X, okay? I. In the back of your head, when you look at L, X, X, it reminds you that this one is an addition Roman numeral. They added 50 to 20. So you are going to consider it alone when you are expanding. Consider this separately. Plus, even this one is a repeating Roman numeral. You can remember. Remember in our first lesson, I explained what we call addition Roman numeral, repeating Roman numerals, and subtraction. So at the back of your head, when you are expanding, you should have that at the back of your head. So when you look at, just by the look of this, at the back of your head, you are seeing this as an addition Roman numeral. They added 50 to 20. Then this one is a repeating Roman numeral. They repeated 1 and 1, which is 2. So in your answer, you will have this as 70 plus 2. Okay? Which gives us 72. Now together, we double and align. Okay? I hope you are getting this. You're getting this in our example 4. In our example 4, Hindu, Arabic, to Hindu, Arabic numerals or numeral. Okay? So I told you, you write your, okay. So we have a Roman numeral here, XL, V, I. Okay? Now, last time when I explained about addition Roman numerals, subtraction Roman numerals, and repeating Roman numerals. Okay? Here you are faced with a number, you see? When you grouped that alone, what would you think about these two? You would think of them as being subtraction Roman numeral. So in expanding, you will consider XL, okay, plus this VII. XL is a subtraction Roman numeral. You have subtracted 10 from 50. So that one is a subtraction Roman numeral. I hope you remember that. Plus, this one here is an addition Roman numeral. You have added 5 to 2. Okay? So it becomes 7. Now, in total, you have, this is 40 plus 7. Okay? Which gives us 47. Are we together? Then you double underline. Okay? I want to give you as many examples so that you understand. Okay? In our number 5, as example number 5, it is going to be a comprehension question. Comprehension meaning it is in words. It is in words. So we are going to say Musazi has XXIX chickens. Okay? Musazi has XXIX chickens. Okay? Write this number in Hindu, Arabic, numeral. Okay? That is our example 5. Okay? Can we read all of us? Musazi has XXIX chickens. Write this number in Hindu Arabic numerals. So I told you, come and write your number XXIX. Go back to the knowledge of repeating Roman numerals, subtraction Roman numerals, addition Roman numerals. Those are the 3 categories that you have to base on. You have to base on 3 categories. There is what we call repeating Roman numeral. It has to be on the back of your mind. Then you also have to have what we call subtraction Roman numeral. I believe you remember that subtraction Roman numeral. It has also to be at the back of your mind. Then we have what we call addition Roman numeral. So those 3 categories are the ones that now are helping you here to separate or to expand this number. Okay? So considering these 2, you look at them as repeating Roman numerals or addition. So you have x plus. Look at this one. These other 2. That one is a subtraction Roman numeral. It is subtracting 1 from 10. You see that? So what will you get here now? You will get here 20 plus 9. And the answer is 29. I hope you're enjoying and you're understanding. Okay? In our example 6, in our example 6, example 6, they are saying Nakazi. Nakazi has LX IV goats. Okay? Write this number. Write this number in Roman numeral. Okay? Write this number in Roman numeral. Okay. Now, can we read all of us? Nakazi has LXIV goats. Write this number in Roman numerals. So I told you, come and write your number here, LXIV. Okay? Go back to your principles, to your first principles. There is what we call repeating Roman numerals, subtraction Roman numerals, and addition Roman numerals. Now, expand them, group them into twos. Okay? Here, when you look at the first two, what can you say about them? This is addition Roman numeral. So you are adding L to X. That one is an addition Roman numeral plus. And this one is a subtraction Roman numeral. You are subtracting 1 from 5. Okay? So it is in IV. So which gives us now, this is an additional Roman numeral. 50 plus 10 is 60. Plus the 4, which gives us 64. Which gives us 64. And double underline. Okay. In our last example, which is example 7, in our last example, they are saying Opio harvested XV bags of rice. Okay? Last season. Express his harvest. Express his harvest in Hindu, Arabic, numeral. Okay? Now, you come and read through the question, and you all read through the question, all of us. Opio harvested XV bags of rice last season. Express his harvest in Hindu, Arabic, numeral. So what you are interested in is that, come and write it, XV in Hindu, Arabic, numeral. So this one is, you can single it out as 1. So you have X, okay, added to V, which is 10 plus 5, which gives us 15. Now, our dear children, I'm going to give you an activity, and I want you to do it very well. I believe you have understood today's lesson of changing Roman numerals to Hindu, Arabic numerals. Number 1, express VR in Hindu, Arabic. Number 2, express XXVII in Hindu, Arabic. 3. Express LVI in Hindu, Arabic. Number 4. Express LXXX. Okay. II in Hindu, Arabic. Number 5, they are saying Kizito, planted, LXXX VR, trees. Okay, last here, write the number of trees. The number of trees in Hindu, Arabic. So, dear children, I want you to try out these numbers. Having learned how to change Roman numerals to Hindu, Arabic numerals, I believe each one of you will pass all the numbers in the activity. Okay? I wish you the best. Please concentrate while doing the work. Have a nice time.